Over 100 years ago, the Gouldie brothers discovered a mineral deposit in Malartic, Quebec. The discovery sparked 50 years of mining from the 1930s to the late 1980s, laying the foundation for the Canadian Malartic complex. Many believed the site had run its course, but in 2008, Odyssey uncovered a surface deposit, reigniting interest for determined explorers. In 2018, a joint venture between Agnico Eagle and Yamana Gold found the East Gouldie gold deposit. At Agnico Eagle, there is a belief in learning from the past.
They knew that there was still a fair bit of low-grade mineralization around the old high-grade underground mine. We took the time to put together all of the historical information and see what else could have been missed or was still open at depth that was left behind by the old miners.
The team was now motivated and supported to explore more.
When we were targeting the East Malartic, it was really to see, was there more beneath the last working level?
Early findings encouraged the team to look deeper. Past mining operations stopped at 1.6 kilometers, but the current neighboring operation was down to 3.4 kilometers, leaving significant space to investigate. They launched a deep drilling program, targeting 600 meters south of the old East Malartic deposit and 1.5 kilometers east of the open pits at Canadian Malartic.
We ended up making the discovery of another barrel structure, which is the most amazing part of the story. You're not too far away from a well-established camp that has been worked for 100 years, and you can still make a significant discovery. When we got the result, it was shocking. I said, well, it must have been a glitch at the laboratory. The first drill hole returning 5.5 grams over 150 meters.
After 6 years of aggressive drilling exploration, the deposit shows astonishing continuity in grade, thickness, and lateral and vertical extents, as well as a promising profile for underground bulk mining.
We're still trying to define the outskirt of the limit. It just keeps growing.
Project Odyssey has an estimated 17 million ounces of gold, and the East Gouldie zone will account for 10 million of it.
For any direct job in mining, there's maybe 3 jobs created in the economy. We have strong relationship with the various First Nations. There's plan in place to create employment, to create benefit. It also generates a ton of direct benefit to the town, to the area, to the government. We can anticipate that the Odyssey will likely sustain the same level of employment and will extend the life of mine that was supposed to end in 2028. It's going to extend it for maybe 20 years plus.
The Canadian Malartic Exploration Team's success was because of collaboration, hard work, and the support of its leadership.
I'm very proud that the team that worked extremely hard will be recognized. It always feels good when you're part of it.
The East Gouldie deposit helped create one of Canada's most extensive underground operations. Its proximity to established operations has allowed for rapid development, with the first production expected in 2026.
It's always been part of the DNA of the company. There's been almost continuous mining activity in Malartic since the late 1920s, and we're still there, and we see a bright future with another 20-25 years with that underground discovery. The history is still being written for what's next to be discovered, and we're already looking and working to find the next one.
The East Gouldie deposit discovery represents a pivotal moment in Canadian mineral exploration due to its magnitude, geological significance, and growing economic value. Congratulations to the Canadian Malartic Exploration Team for being named this year's Bill Dennis Award recipient. They have proven that with the right team and expertise, the next big discovery could just be one more drill hole away.